want to start out with who are you, what do you do with Aspen, and what are we doing here?
Yeah, I'm Mike Kaplan, President and CEO of Aspen Skiing Company, and we're up here on the bowl installing the word respect. We've had a great time coming up this morning. Super special morning, fresh snow, beautiful light, an incredible group of people here to show their respect. The mountains always deserve respect. You've got to respect their beauty and admire it all the time. You also have to respect their power, respect the weather that they can bring in. It's really all about paying attention and I'd say being humble. And then it goes beyond that and sort of goes maybe a little more outward facing when you talk about our role as a company in a community, both locally and respecting that community. Also our role with the environment and truly respecting what the environment's about and ensuring that we protect and conserve what's special and unique about this place for future generations and for all that want to come and enjoy it. And so it's really respecting about all those communities out there and welcoming them to this special place.